today we're showing you actually aerial shots taken specially to actually make this whole flypast become very real for you. And these are shots taken from Prachand, the first formation, which is in a short while from now will go past the saluting base. And these shots have been specially procured and are presented here so that not only do you this advanced light helicopter Mark 4 in arrow formation led by Group Captain Deepak Chase from 125 Helicopter Squadron. Gladiator being captained by Group Captain Anand Kumar Yadav and Wing Commander Hashir Habib. Vayu Sena Medal with Squadron Leader Rajendra Ramachandran and following them Wing Commander Upendra Kumar Mishra and Wing Commander Sushil Khajoria in the indigenously designed and developed known as the Tank Busters.
दिखता है ये फॉर्मेशन
ये इंडियन एयर फोर्स